Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to disable WhatsApp on Android 2025. Let's begin. First, you want to find your WhatsApp application. Mine is right here. Then you want to press and hold it until these little options appear, and you want to click App Info. If for some reason you can't really do that, you want to simply go to your settings. In settings, head into apps, see all apps, and now you want to find your WhatsApp here. As you can see, this is the exact same screen we saw before. Now, as you can see, our force stop is not working since our WhatsApp isn't running in the background. In order to disable it, we can simply click Archive, and now our WhatsApp is archived, meaning that we can't really use it. As you can see, there's a little cloud icon next to WhatsApp. Whenever you try to open it, we'll basically download it once again. However, our data should persist and should be saved in the background. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.